It is so chocolatey, it is so smooth, and it is so delicious. Hi, I'm Emily with Experienced Mommy, and today I am talking to you about 5 different smoothies that not only you can enjoy, but also are nutrient dense for your children. Smoothie number 1 is my Wendys Frosty. Smoothie number 2 is my Very Berry Banana. Number 3 is my Green Monster Madness. Number 4 is my Mango Sunrise Smoothie. Number 5 is my Meal Replacement Smoothie. Before we get into my ideas, I have a whole checklist that I go through in my mind. So first of all, it's a vegetable check. Whatever I have on hand. I need to use up some zucchini. Oh, we have some celery that may go bad in the next couple of days. I have spinach that's in the freezer. Number 2 is the fruit check. Fruit is a really great way to sweeten and to make that smoothie delicious. You can do anything from berries to bananas to citrus fruits. Number 3 on the list is what kind of milk I'm going to use. You can definitely use cow's milk, coconut milk, cashew, almond, or flax milk. Number 4 is a sweetener. Honey, you can even use maple syrup. Stevia, what my family likes to use is monk fruit. Now, protein powder is the 5th thing. We do like to use plant-based proteins. Sometimes I use protein powder in my smoothies, sometimes I don't. If I'm doing a meal replacement, I'll probably use protein. If I'm just doing it for the boys as a quick nutrient boost, then maybe I'll leave it out. Number 6 is my superfood that'll boost that smoothie. Anything from using chia seeds to flax seeds, hemp seeds. And then the last one that I kind of go through in my head is a fat. You could use avocado, nuts, almond butter, cashew butter, peanut butter. You could even put some coconut oil in your smoothies. Smoothie number 1 is my Wendys Frosty. I use about 6 ice cubes, 1 full frozen banana, 1 to 2 cups of frozen spinach, 1 to 2 cups of almond milk or flax milk or cashew milk, whatever I have on hand, and then sweeten it with monk fruit. I'm talking about like 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon. Don't forget the cocoa powder. That's what makes it chocolatey, is the cocoa powder or cocoa powder. I use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of that and blend that all up, and you have your Wendys Frosty. It is so chocolatey, it is so smooth, and it is so delicious. That's something that I can whip up really quick, and it's actually fairly inexpensive. Smoothie number 2 is my Very Berry Banana. Now, we buy the really big Costco bags of the mixed berries that have raspberries, blackberries, blueberries. You actually can freeze the fruit at its peak, so you know that you're still getting just as many nutrients as you would if you bought all of those fresh. So buying it frozen can actually save money as well. This Very Berry Banana has exactly what you would think in it. Berries, bananas, spinach, or kale, again, depending on what I have on hand, almond milk, and a little bit of monk fruit. Number 3 is my Green Monster Madness, and just like the name, it is very, very green. So I put avocado in there, I put celery, I put spinach and kale, I put a banana, I put a little bit of monk fruit, and that almond milk and green grapes. Then blend it up and you have my Green Monster Madness. Both my boys love that. They're getting the avocado, they're getting the spinach and the kale, and they're getting the celery, and they don't even know that they're getting all of those vegetables. Win, win, win. Number 4 is my Mango Sunrise Smoothie. It's 1 cup mango, whether you're using frozen or fresh, doesn't matter. And then 1 cup OJ, 1 cup baby carrots, frozen or fresh, 1 banana, and 1 cup spinach. That is the Mango Sunrise Smoothie, which is delicious for either by the pool or kind of early in the morning as a big jolt. And then number 5 is my Meal Replacement Smoothie, which has a little bit more protein. This one had yogurt, spinach, almond butter, flaxseed, banana, almond milk, and monk fruit. Make it fresh, make it fun. So sometimes I like to put it in fun cups for the boys, big straws that can make it really festive. A special tip that you probably haven't heard before. It's a great use of extra breast milk. This is a huge way that helped wean from nursing. I would use frozen breast milk, thaw it, and then put it mixed in with a smoothie to get substance, build immunity for him, and still to this day, I'm using the rest of my breast milk supply for Calvin and putting it in smoothies for him because it's a great use of extra breast milk. Make sure that if you do try out any of the smoothies, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite smoothie recipes are for you and your family. Have a super rest of your day. Mama out.